Have you ever wondered what it would be like to have a very clear vision of what you want? You know what you want, but you have a hard time visualizing it. I'm going to give you the best tip right now on how exactly to see whatever it is that you want clearly in your mind. That way you can visualize it better. And the more time you do this, the more time that you put into this technique, you're going to get better and better and better. It's going to be tattooed onto your brain. So let's get started. Hey everyone, it's your boy Kai Valentine coming at you with another Pimp My Life technique. That's right, I'm gonna pimp out your life, and that does not mean you're gonna be working on the red district. I guess I could have said like porn star tips, but that I don't think that's gonna work, guys. Let's pimp your life by showing you. This video's already ruined. I've said porn star, that means the video's ruined. Anyway, I'm Kai Valentine, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I really would appreciate it if you join the family, because I teach all about God, religion, spirituality, law of attraction in a way as though you're my friend, and I just tell it how it is. I would love for you to join the family, the Valentine family, by hitting that subscribe button. You will become a spiritual warrior, and my heart goes out to you. All right, so this is a very quick tip. There's no real need to go into anything advanced. I'm not gonna take a lot of your time as usual, but I will say what the importance of visualizing is. As humans, we need to see visions in our mind in order to move forward. No matter what it was that we created, these scientists, I'm trying to think of at least one right now, and I just cannot. Who created that freaking light bulb? I want to say Eisenhower, but I know that's not. You know what? I'm just making myself look stupid. I can't, off the top of my head, I cannot think of an inventor. Ford. Yes, the T model car, whatever. Anyway, they had to see it in their mind first. In fact, speaking of Ford, I have a really cool story for you guys. He wanted to make a certain type of engine, and his scientists said, it can't be done. I believe it was the V8. I don't believe that's it. But anyway, it had something to do with the amount of cylinders in the engine, I believe. And the scientists kept telling him over and over and over again. I mean, this went on for years. They said, you're wasting your money trying to pay us to come up with this engine. We can't do it. It's impossible. Okay, well, let me make sure my chest hair is not ruining the audio. It's impossible. And Ford would just be like, okay, keep trying. I really want that engine. I see it in my head. We can do it. And you know what? One day, they figured it out, okay? And that was all because Ford, one, didn't give up, and two, he didn't really care because he knew it was gonna happen, and three, he didn't give up. He didn't give up, and he saw it in his head. This is why visualization is very important, and it's also very important that we see it very clearly in our head. Super minute details aren't very important, just more of the general idea. But even then, you need to see it in your head, okay? So here is the technique. Finally, Kai's getting to the pimp your life technique. Find whatever you want online. Google Images, right? That's all we're gonna do. And just keep it up as a tab on your phone or on your computer. All you gotta do is look at it for 10 seconds and then shut your eyes and it will be there. So let's do a little trick. I want you to look at your hand. Or any object, really. Stare at your hand for 10 seconds. Take it all in. Now close your eyes. You can still see your hand. That is the technique. It's very powerful. What I will do is I will look at an image of something that I'm wanting or something that defines the idea of what I want. So you can't really find a friend on Google Images, but you can find stuff that you'd like to do with this friend and visualize that. But find whatever it is you want on Google Images, and right before your 10, 20-minute meditation, whatever it is, where you're going to visualize most of it, look at this thing for at least 30 seconds. And don't freak out about it. Don't be anxious about it. Like, I say that because I do that stuff. I put so much importance on it. Like, I've got to see this perfectly for this to work. Just relax, and if it doesn't come out perfect, it's no big deal. The universe, God is not dumb. He knows what you want, but that clear vision is what's going to keep you motivated and keep you going, keep you strong. So that's really it. We're going to look at a picture online, and we're going to see it in our mind. So look at it online, see it in your mind. Also, you can make it the background of your phone. The more you see this, I would even go as far as to print it out and place it in areas of your home that you look at often. It's very encouraging, and you will finally be able to, when you sit down to meditate and to visualize, it won't be as hard. In fact, you should be able to alter it to the way you want it. So if it's a yellow Lamborghini and that's what you've been using, and now you want to switch it to red, you should be able to do that easily. Again, guys, this is a very easy technique to use. You're not going to have any problem mastering it. You just have to do it. That's the big thing. A lot of people won't take this as seriously, and those are the people who usually won't manifest what it is that they desire. You, though, I trust you. You're watching these videos. I'm not the largest channel in the world, so if you're watching this, I know you're serious about the law of attraction. I know you're serious about manifesting what it is that you desire. So try this trick, and you don't have to do it all the time, but whenever you feel the image in your mind waning, go back and look at that image again. And you gotta do it though. Go do it right now. But first, if you like videos like this, subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. It's cool here, it's awesome. We do pictures of animal butts and all that good stuff. And yes, that's a Jurassic Park tattoo. Yeah, I'm pretty hardcore. I love you. I'll see you next time.
Trust in my heart like it's Yu-Gi-Oh! Spending all night at the studio. Got me fucked up, you assume me slow. Killing the game cause he knew the code. I don't want nothing to do with you. Thinking this winning is all about who